this is twice now. My Hero 10 Black, taking this is a GoPro battery. Trying to take it out. It's stuck in there. The top just rips off. Last time I tried to use some needle nose pliers and it almost started a fire. So I'm going to try a different technique to get this battery out, but man, this is frustrating. Alright, a couple old pieces of sandpaper. I'm going to try to wedge it in here. With some newer sandpaper, wouldn't bend as much, but let me get this other one in. Got these pushed in there as far as I can, get them in there. Now let us see. Yeah, all right. Success. I don't know how old this battery is. Oh, right there, 2021, so 3 years old, almost exactly 3 years old, and I don't know, I guess it, I'm going to push it in there all the way, but I don't know, it's not like puffy. I mean, this goes in and out pretty easy. So I don't know what the deal is. I guess it just got warm and maybe puffed up a little bit and couldn't get it out. So what GoPro offered me when I called them up and told them what was going on here is that if I join their subscription program, which the minimum was $50, and then they would offer me, as if I already had the subscription and the warranty that comes with it, they would warranty a new GoPro. Actually, you know what? I don't know if it was a new GoPro or if it was going to be a refurbished GoPro. I forgot to ask, but then it's still, though, when you get a new GoPro from them, and I think that it's kind of a nice deal in that I think it's kind of no questions asked. So, however it's damaged, you know, you can get a new GoPro, but they don't just give you one for free. They charge you $100. So $50 subscription, $100. So now you're $150 in, and they send you I think, a new GoPro 10. Well, I don't know if that's really worth it. I mean, you can get a GoPro 10 for, you know, not much more than $150. And I really don't want to spend the money to get another GoPro 10, and not $150 anyway. So that was a deal. They did then, though, offer to send a new battery to me, which is nice. This did last a lot longer. Let me tell you something else. I bought some generic batteries before, some whatever, and you could find them on Amazon, and they're a lot less expensive than these, but they are overall, they're crap. You get what you pay for. They don't last nearly as long, and man, is it frustrating when your batteries go bad, because for example, they're at 30%, and then, you know, your GoPro shuts off and it says the battery's dead. That is really, really frustrating, and you just can't trust them. So you kind of have to buy the GoPro batteries. So I did buy one of these, and well, a couple of these a while back, and yeah, these do last longer, especially in the cold. That's where these things really kind of fall down, is in the cold weather. They just don't last nearly as long. Alexa, stop. So anyway, they offered to send me another one of these white top GoPro batteries, which is nice, for no fee. So I went for that. Oh, and then they did send me a coupon code to save 15%, I think, on anything I buy from GoPro. Not positive, it might just be for a new camera. So anyway, that's pretty nice, but yeah, it's kind of frustrating. Don't try to needle nose these things out, because like I said, I did almost start a fire before, and then I didn't know what to do. I did pull the battery out using the needle nose, but then I didn't know what to do with the battery. I was kind of scared of the battery. because I didn't know if it was going to start some, crazy fire or something like that later on. Anyway, that's it.